Hello guys, Mehul here, back again with another new video. And at last, there is really a great piece of software that is all in all a whole replacement for Calendly for free. Yes, now you don't have to self-host it; it's just free. Like there is another software that I know, which one you have to self host yourself, and if you use their like their cloud version, you have to pay for it. But this is really free. This is absolutely free. So let me share. So this is Zcal or Z Calendar, and as you guys see it from here, make scheduling personal again. Meet Zcal, the free scheduling platform that help you build stronger relationship. And they are bit concerned about your privacy as well. So let us see what they are providing. Obviously you can sign up for free, as they are free, and you can see it here, unlimited links and calendars for free forever. So this is another great thing. You can see it here, essential features for personal use, forever free, like unlimited links, unlimited calendar accounts, video conference integration, custom questions, and there will be no ads. So this is a really great thing that they are providing. But in the coming soon section, I think they will include like team concept, because that is something they can charge for. Obviously that would be a use case, but as we are not concerned about that right now, so we will just simply see what we are having here. So you can obviously schedule things to your Google Calendar, and I don't know, it supports Google Calendar, I don't know it supports any other calendar or not. Let me see that also. And rather than that, it gives you a great interface, actually more of a like Notion like interface, as you can see it here, that Calendly doesn't provide. Calendly is bit different, and it is bit different, as you can see here. And you can actually post a video here also, so that is a really cool addition. And here, personalized link, show your care, like you can personalize link as well. So obviously that is a great bit of touch. And free forever for personal use, unlimited links, unlimited calendars, that's a great thing. And all in all scheduling solution as well, like invites and meeting polls, they have that things also. But what I have liked the most is copy times to email, no, not this thing, not this thing as well, embedding it. So embedding your Zcal into your own site is also easier. You don't have to mess around a lot with it. It will just like do things like within a click. So like within a few clicks, just like a, yeah, charm. So obviously that's also a thing that I really liked about it. Then here's, and again all of those things again here they have said it, like calendar integration, obviously yes, Google and Microsoft Calendar, obviously. So okay, then you are getting two calendars, so great for us. Fully customizable, so that is one, that is a great thing to have. Time zone intelligence, so this actually matters a lot, because if your scheduling program is not time zone intelligence, so the person that is scheduling for your time or you will get totally different time, like time basis on him, like him means the other person that is who is scheduling, or time basis on your time zone, that is obviously your time zone. So to solve that issue, time zone intelligence is needed, it's needed a lot. Rather than that, obviously video conference integration, Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams, the most popular three. So that is a great thing about it. And built-in privacy, invite guests, only see your busy times, your event details stay hidden. So it is obviously a great thing. And enterprise grade security. So that's all. uh, that is all that wrap up this. And if you ask me, I obviously gonna sign up for it, because for like this much long I haven't been like using any of the platform, scheduling platform, not Calendly, not any other thing. So I obviously needed one for myself, so I gonna start it out with it, because why not? It's a great thing. So here in front of you, I am bookmarking it because I liked it in other bookmarks. Okay, so that's it for this video, that's it for this platform. And if you someone who already know about Calendly, I really don't know how to say sorry to you about wasting your time. This is just an alternative. Go in the description, click on the link, and have your account. But if you don't know about Calendly, like if you are someone who is addressing this kind of thing first, so this is the video for you. And thank you for staying this much long. If you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you know about some of the great apps like this, like these new cool free alternatives of pro things, please let me know about all of them in the comment section below, so I can feature them in my future videos as well. So bye for now.